For dinner, I thought I'd cook myself a whole chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and spatchcock this bird, which is basically a way of preparing it so it lays down flat. Makes it cook a lot faster. Just cut either side of the spine and take the whole spine out. Some salt and pepper. Let that roast. All right, let's take a look at this chicken. Oh, that looks pretty good. Oh, you know it's done when you can just pull the leg off and you don't have to cut it. We're gonna try some spicy honey barbecue sauce too. That was good.